Genesis 1 verse 14. And God said, let there be light in the expanse of the heavens to separate the day from the night. And let them be for signs and for seasons, for days and for years. That is where I tell you to guard your star. Because stars are for times, are for seasons, and are for what? Days. They separate. He put a huge star that brings the light, that dominates the day, and a small star that dominates the night. So that is where hapo ndio wanaingililia. Anasema this will separate times and the seasons and days. So the star that God has put in you makes you qualify in between when you are in your season. It makes you understand the season you are in. It makes you understand this is your time for blessings. It makes you understand this is the time for you to be somewhere. And it gives you a more way of understanding things and a moving forward. So nyota yako inapoibiwa, unakosa kujua majira, na unakosa kujua mida, na unakosa kujua maeneo. Because a blessing in your life will not come to you until you are in the right position for the blessings. Until you go where God wants you to be. He told Abraham, rise and go up until to the land that I will take you, where I will bless you. You can never be blessed in a foreign land. You can never be, by this foreign land I mean, by where God has not destined you for the blessing. Somebody will go to America, that is where they're going to receive their blessings. Somebody will go to Canada, that is where they're going to receive their blessings. But another person will go to Canada, na atakuja hapa akiwa maskini. Na kuna mtu wako hapa town, amebarikiwa na amejenga manyumba za ghorofa. Na kunao pia tunaishi Mukuru kwa Ruben. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Na kunao wako vijijini, they have nyumba mzuri kuliko wale watu wanaishi hapa Nairobi. Kuna watu wananunua magari. Amenunua gari ya shilingi milioni 100, milioni 10, milioni 20, na ako kijijini kule. Na wewe uko town katikati, unaishi kwa nyumba kama tope. You must be where you are supposed, where the blessings are. You must be in the season of the blessing, the timing of the blessing, and the place of the blessings. And this only can be found within the presence of the star that God has given you. Nyota inayokuongoza. Nyota alitoa nyota ambayo ilimuongoza Yesu wakati alizaliwa. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Now that is what the enemy of your life they will target. They only target nyota ambayo iko ndani yako, so that you can lose direction, you can lose the time, and you can lose the position.